Hello viewers, welcome back. Today in this video we're going to learn how to solve this kind of problem. And the problem is solve for a when 4 raised to the power a is equal to 1 upon 256. It's a problem of exponent and power. From the given equation we have to find the value of a. So now let's start the solution. Here first of all let us try to simplify the right hand side, and in the denominator the number is 256, and we can write this 256 as 4 into 4 into 4 into 4. Here 4 is multiplied 4 times, so this is equal to 4 raised to the power 4. So for this 256 we can write 4 raised to the power 4. Now in the next line it becomes 4 raised to the power a is equal to 1 upon 4 raised to the power 4. And here 1 upon 4 raised to the power 4 means we know 1 upon x raised to the power m is equal to 1 upon x whole raised to the power m. We can apply this here. So here the right hand side 1 upon 4 raised to the power 4 is equal to 1 upon 4 whole raised to the power 4. This is equal to this. Now again 1 upon x raised to the power m can be written as x upon 1 raised to the power minus m, and by using the same rule it becomes 4 upon 1 raised to the power minus 4. Here x upon 1 is equal to x upon 1 is equal to x. So this is equal to x raised to the power minus m. And here also 4 upon 1 whole raised to the power minus 4 is equal to 4 raised to the power minus 4. Now this is equal to this, that means 4 raised to the power a is equal to 4 raised to the power minus 4. Now these two expressions are equal and they have same basis, which is 4. So their exponents a and minus 4 are equal. Now we can conclude that a is equal to minus 4. So this is the value of a, and this is the solution to this problem. So guys, this much for today, and thank you very much for watching this video. If you like my videos, please don't forget to like, share, and also to drop your comments in the comment section.